Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to crochet a cute apple-shaped Christmas bell. It's perfect for decorating your Christmas tree or as a lovely handmade gift. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch until the end. Your support gives us more motivation to create new videos. For this project, prepare 2.5mm cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Now, let's start crocheting together. For round 1, chain 25, skip the first chain, make 24 single crochets, then turn your work. Great start. Keep your tension even for a neat and clean edge. Next, round 2, chain 4 and double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat double crochet, chain 1, double crochet 7 times, then half double crochet, chain 1, half double crochet 8 times, and single crochet, chain 1, single crochet 8 times, then turn, take it slow and count carefully to keep the shape balanced. For round 3, chain 1, work 3 single crochets 5 times, 3 half double crochets 6 times, and 3 double crochets. 1 8 times this round gives the bell its beautiful apple shape. You're doing amazing. Finally, round 4, slip stitch, chain 1, then slip stitch all around to finish. Keep your slip stitches loose for a soft and elegant edge. Thank you so much for watching and crocheting along with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and cute crochet projects. Watching until the end really helps us stay motivated to create new videos. See you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!